This is the RC race car from handhelditems.com. It's available in 4 different colors and 4 different styles: blue, yellow, green, and red. Alright, first thing you want to do is remove the car from the box, and then you want to remove the controller that's located underneath. Okay, once you remove that, you'll see the instruction manual that comes with it and an antenna that goes with the remote controller. Also on the sides of the box, if you see right next to the lock, there's 4 pegs. You just take those out and you can snap them to the controller for the little joysticks. Okay, so once you have the pegs both installed, you install the antenna. There's a hole on the top, just stick it in there and screw it in there securely, and you're good to go. Yeah. The remote requires 6 AA batteries, which are not included. Alright, so to remove the car, you need to have a small Phillips screwdriver, and what you do is just reach into those holes and then screw the 2 screws which secure the car. Alright, so once you have the screws removed, you can just go ahead and take the car off the stand and charge it with your controller. Okay, the charge cable is located at the bottom of the controller in this little compartment. You just flip it open, pull the cable out, and then you plug it into the car underneath, right? Located right here next to the power switch. Okay, so once you do that, you'll see, you have to turn on the controller and you'll see the green status light light up, which says charge. And you just go ahead and charge for 5 minutes, and that'll last you about 10 minutes of playtime. And also the remote can reach up to about 15 to 25 meters. Alright, the RC cars also come with fully functional LED headlights that glow while you drive, and it's great at night when you play. Alright, so after playing with the toy, just remember to charge it by plugging it back in and leaving the power button on.